Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to open camera from lock screen of our phone Vivo V29 Pro. This is camera icon, but it is in home screen. Okay, suppose if you would like to open camera from lock screen itself, that is after locking your phone, after you put pattern lock in your phone, then what will you do? From the screen itself, you can open camera. What you have to do is just you can see camera icon near bottom right side. Okay, here. Okay, just you should swipe up from this icon and camera will be directly open. Yes, it is directly open, and now you can take pictures. Okay, so without locking into your phone, anyone can take a photo if they have your phone in their hand. Okay, so in this way you can easily use camera from the lock screen itself. Okay, what you have to do is just swipe up from the camera icon in the lock screen and camera will be open. Okay, this feature is given for the emergency purpose only. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.